What's up, guys? It's Mike here again. We're going to make another video today on the Scat Pack. I know in the last video I went and checked out a 2020 Hellcat Daytona wide body. I really liked it, but I think for now I'm going to stick with the Scat Pack. I think eventually there's going to be something a little bit more special coming down the line. We'll wait for that and see what it is. And like I said, hopefully they're going to do a red eye, or there's been rumors of an angel. I know that's been kind of taboo lately, but it may happen, and if so, we're going to wait for that. Sorry about the video, or the audio and the video today. It's pretty cold outside, so I got the garage doors shut. I'm just using the lights. For what I'm doing today, the temperature in the garage has got to be above 60 degrees, and it is way below freezing and snowing here in St. Louis again. So, apologize for that. I do want to thank you guys for all the support lately. We are up to, I think, 78 subscribers, man. It was a good month. I think we gained 40 last month. So, I appreciate that. For those of you who have not, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if there's anything in this video that you like. And so what we're going to do today is I finally ordered that kit from Luxe Auto Concepts. If you remember in one of the very first videos I did taillight tint using this crap from Walmart. It was like $12. It worked good for about a month or two, and then it started wrinkling and everything else. So we're gonna throw that out because that was junk. We ordered this stuff from Luxe Auto Concepts. It feels a lot nicer quality. It's more of a vinyl instead of being tint. So we're going to do that. And then also I got the Scat Pack. I believe they call it the racetrack decal. So we're going to get that stuff installed, see what it looks like. So hoping for good things. Overall, I think the entire thing was only $65. I ordered the stuff online. Showed up in the house in like 3 days. So I will give Luxe Auto credit for that, because it was here really fast. So we'll get the camera set up, we'll get this stuff going, and we'll get it installed and see what it's like. So, all right, so we got everything set up here, and they recommend you cut the border off of this, so it makes it a little easier to line up, so you can see exactly where it's going to be. And the nice part is they include this little arrow right here. I don't know if you can see, but right there is a casting mark, or a molding mark, whatever you want to call it, on the taillight. So you line up that little arrow with that casting mark, and it gives you a little place to line that up with. So just get it on there, line it up the way you like it, and then I should have done this before. Right. So you get you some painter's tape and put it on each end, so that way when you line it up, it'll hold it where you want it. And then when you go to take the backing off, all you got to do is line up the painter's tape again, instead of trying to reline the entire thing. So we'll get it up here. See what we got. Hopefully that's centered. But yeah, so like I'm saying, whenever we get it in here and we get it lined up, the only thing we're going to do is we're going to rip it right here on each side, and then we can spray our applicator, our cleaning stuff, and our application solution on there, and then all we got to do is come back and line these up on both sides, so that way we don't have to worry about messing that up. So we get this all lined up the way I like it here. Make sure it's straight. and then I will be right back. All right, so we got the decal removed. Like I said, the kit does come with the prep spray, and then it also comes as a wet application. So we'll spray this whenever we're putting it on there so we can align it a little better, get that final alignment. So we'll go ahead and spray this stuff on and we'll get it cleaned off. Like I said, the kit does include a microfiber towel as well. So it does come with everything you need. So, get that. Throw that back up there. That out of the way. And then it does come with the applicator. Like I said, it's a wet application. So just get it on there. Real good. All right, so it does say to peel this back at a pretty aggressive angle. So that way, none of them come off. We'll try and get that afterwards. So now, like I said, we'll just try and line this up. Yep. So then just rub it away. It says not to go up or down. That's how you get your wrinkles. And it says to take the squeegee that they gave you and wrap it in this microfiber. That'll protect it from getting wrinkles or anything in it. You just light pressure. All right, got that. Then they suggest ripping this in the middle. Peel it back at an aggressive angle. To hopefully eliminate any of these peeling off. Oh, we did get one right there. There we go. Put that there. Peel this, see what we're looking like on this side. You want to blot it. There we go. So then that is what it looks like when you're finished. All right, and these side overlays here, these are a lot more self-explanatory. These are just peel and stick. Not a big deal. These are the mid gloss, I believe is what they said they were. There's there's other options, but I didn't want to go too dark. I mean, I know the darker the looks better, but I don't want to attract too much police attention because this is illegal. This is not, you're not allowed to change or alter your tail lights. A safety device, I guess is what they're saying. So I don't want to attract too much. Just get this a little darker. Makes it blend in a little better. It leaves this still exposed. So won't draw as much attention, and it makes it look a little better. So you got that. Like I said, it's just mostly peel and stick. And then the only thing you got to do is use a heat gun and get the corners there and then roll it around the edge. So not a big deal. So there is the contrast between the mid-smoke and the regular. I can't wait to get it out in the sunlight though and get a true feel for it, but that's what the difference is. So it's entirely up to you. Like I said, they have other options. I don't know. I think there's there's a lot of options. So you got your choice of what you want to do or how dark you want to go. They also offer full wraps to where you can do the whole thing and remove the emblem, the Dodge emblem and everything. So that is also an option. It's just up to you. So I'll get the rest of these done and then I will show you the full after effect whenever it's done. All right, so this is what the taillight tint looks like finished. So it looks pretty good. It was pretty easy stuff to use. So, and then I think the tint, the inlays were only $29.99, I believe. And it went in pretty easily. It's pretty easy to use. So there's the Scat Pack emblem again. There's a few little bubbles in it, but I'll keep working those out. And this is so yeah. So for $63, your rear end could be transformed into this. It's not too bad. I'm happy with it. All right, so overall, I am pretty happy with it. It turned out pretty good. So if you're interested in this, their website is luxeautoconcepts.net. Check them out. They've got all kinds of stuff. I'm sure you can find something that'll fit your car. If you like what you see today, please subscribe, like, share this with your friends. And until next time, you guys have a great day.